Pandas, the endearing bears native to China, have captured the hearts of kids with their charming appearance. Their distinctive black and white fur, playful antics, and unique bamboo eating habits make them an absolute favorite. Pandas' playful and curious behavior, combined with their gentle and calm disposition, make them captivating creatures to observe. These gentle giants symbolize the importance of wildlife conservation, teaching kids about protecting our planet's treasures, while also reminding us of the beauty of the natural world. With their peaceful demeanor and captivating presence, pandas are not only adorable but also vital ambassadors for the preservation of our precious ecosystems.